Hello everyone, again this is Sir Gil Bansuelo Jr. from SBOQC New Era High School. So welcome to another Math Kwentuhan with Sir G. So na namang grade 10 lesson ang ating pag-uusapan. So without further ado, join me. Alright, so ang focus ng lesson natin today is for a radius tangent theorem, two-chords theorem, and tangent and a chord theorem. So dire-diretso na natin. Okay, so unahin natin yung radius tangent theorem, no? So the point or the radius drawn to the point of tangency is perpendicular to the tangent. Ayan, so the radius drawn to the point of tangency, which is point D, is perpendicular to line XT. So ito yung tangent line natin. So again, yung tangent line, isang point lang yung tatamaan niya sa circle. Alright? Then, wala na. So yun yung ibig sabihin ng tangent line. And the line drawn perpendicular to the radius, no, is tangent to the radius. Ayan, tangent to the circle rather, no? So yan yun. So anong silbi nito, guys? Halimbawa, automatic makaka-create tayo, guys, ng right angle ODS and right angle ODP. So, ano magiging silbi nun? So, if we connect point O to point P or point O to point S, makaka-create tayo ng right triangle. Okay? And, pwede na nating isolve yung distance from point O to point D, no? And point D to point P, ayan. Point D to point S, and point O to point S using the Pythagorean theorem, no? So, yan. Yan yung mga possible na pwede nating isolve or gawin dito sa theorem na to. Alright? So, mamaya meron tayong problem to that. And, next. So, tawagin natin itong tangent and a chord theorem. Kasi, sabi dito, yung angle 4, which is angle theta, by a tangent line and a chord, is equal to the half of the intercepted arc AB. Ayan, no? So, yung intercepted arc ng angle BAS is arc AB. So, kung ano daw yung measure nitong arc BA or AB, i-divide lang natin sa 2, then yun na agad yung measure ng ating angle formed by a tangent and a chord. So, para mas mabilis at maintindihan natin, so let me present my whiteboard to you. Okay? So, yan. Alright. So, sagutan natin yan. Okay. So, guys, dito, no, so binigay yung measure ng angle theta. So, 40 degrees daw ito. So, kung 40 degrees itong angle BAS, guys, so therefore, ang measure nitong arc BA is times 2 ng angle 4 by a tangent and a chord, di ba? Kasi nga, ang sabi dun sa tangent and a chord theorem, an angle 4 by a tangent and a chord is equal to 1/2 of the intercepted arc. Now, kung yung intercepted arc naman yung nawawala, edi ita-times 2 naman natin yung angle form. So, dahil yung angle form is 40 degrees, therefore, arc AB is equal to twice of the angle form theta. And since ang measure ng angle theta natin is 40 degrees, therefore, 2 times 40 is 80 degrees. So, yun yung magiging measure nitong arc AB natin or BA. Now, binigay din dito, guys, yung line segment GOA is a diameter. So, ibig sabihin, itong angle theta plus itong angle OAB is complementary. Ibig sabihin, equal sila sa 90 degrees. So, kung yung angle theta natin is 40 degrees, to make it 90, yung angle OAB must be 50 degrees. Diba, no? Pero dahil hindi naman yun pinapasolve, okay lang. Okay? Binigyan ko lang kayo ng hint. Now, balik na tayo dun sa tinatanong, no? Ang sabi dyan, ano ang measure ng angle AOB? So, ano bang klase yung angle AOB? Yan. So, siya ay nabuo gamit ang dalawang radius at ang vertex niya is on the circle. So, kung ganon, itong angle na to ay isang central angle. And, according to the definition, kung ano man yung intercepted arc ng isang central angle, yun yung measure niya. So, therefore, angle AOB is 80 degrees as well. So, ganyan lang siya kadali, guys. Alright? So, I hope naintindihan natin yan. So, diretso tayo sa susunod nating exercise. Ayan. So, balik tayo sa PowerPoint. Okay. So, yan. So, let me present again that to my whiteboard. Ayan. So, isosolve natin yan. No? Dito natin siya gawin sa Jamboard. Okay. So, binigay dito guys, yung line segment MS o yung line MS is tangent to circle at A. So, ito yun. Ito yung point of tangency natin. So, therefore, dahil tangent sila dyan, alright? So, based dun sa radius tangent theorem, yung point O to A is a radius. Diba? Since yung GOA is diameter, so therefore, itong angle 4, tsaka itong angle 1 at itong angle formed by a tangent and a chord is equal to 180 degrees. Kasi nga, magiging perpendicular ito, di ba? So, perpendicular. So, automatic, angle 4, alam na agad natin na 90 degrees. At kung itong angle formed by a tangent and a chord ay 30 degrees, ano ang measure ng angle 1? Correct, 60. Kasi 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 90, 180. So, yun yung ibig sabihin ng radius tangent theorem kanina kung angle ang pag-uusapan. Now, binigay yung measure ng angle formed by a tangent and a chord na 30 degrees. So, therefore, kaya na nating sabihin kung ano ang measure ng arc AB. So, times 2 lang ng angle 4. So, therefore, ito ay 60 degrees. So, yun yung kinagandahan guys kapag alam natin yung theorem. Now, kung makikita ninyo, yung arc AB is intercepted by a central angle 2. So, therefore, dahil ito ay central angle, equal lang siya ng intercepted arc. So, 60 degrees din. Now, ano na ngayon ang measure ng angle 3? Napakasimple. Ang total sum ng interior angles ng isang triangle is always equal to 180. So, kung meron na akong 120, because 60 plus 60 is 120, so, kailangan ko na lang ng 60 degrees to make it 180. So, yan. Tuloy tayo. So, yung angle 2 at angle 3 are linear pair. Ibig sabihin, kung i-add ko yung angle 2 at saka angle 6, dapat ang equivalent nila is 180. Now, since angle 2 is 60 degrees, yung angle 6 ay 120 degrees to make it 180 or supplementary. Now, kung makikita ninyo, yung angle 6 ay isang central angle who intercept arc GB or BG. So therefore, dahil ito ay central angle which measures 120 degrees, ang measure din ito dapat ay 120 degrees. Now, titingin tayo sa angle 5. Yung angle 5, kung mapapansin niyo ay isang inscribed angle dahil ito ay binubuo ng dalawang chord. So, chord AG at chord BG. Now, ang sabi, ang measure daw ng isang inscribed angle ay kalahati ng intercepted arc. At yung angle 5 intercepts arc BA. At ang measure ng arc BA ay 60. So therefore, ang kalahati ng 60 ay 30 degrees. Ayan. Now, may 120 na ako, may 30 degrees na ako, so pwede ko nang alamin kung ano yung measure ng angle 7. Sabi nga natin, ang sum ng interior angles ng isang triangle ay 180. So, kung may 120 na ako plus 30, that is 150. So, kailangan ko na lang ng 30 degrees para maging 180. And of course, kung makikita ninyo, wag natin kalimutan yung X o yung arc AG. Kung makikita nyo, kalahati siya ng circle, so it measures automatic 180 degrees. So, pwede na natin isulat yung mga sagot natin dito. So, yung angle 1, 60 degrees. Angle 2, 60 degrees. Yung angle 3 ay 60 degrees. So, therefore, yung triangle AOB ay isang equiangular triangle dahil pare-pareho yung measure ng kanyang mga angles. Alright? Tapos, yung angle form natin is 90 degrees kasi nga right angle, perpendicular to the chord, to the radius, yung ating tangent line, no? Yung angle 5 natin, 30 degrees. kasi inscribe angle siya, and it intercept arc BA. Yung angle 6 is 120 dahil yung angle 6 and 2 are linear pair. Now, yung angle 7 ay 30 degrees. Now, yung arc X or yung arc AG is 180 degrees. Yung arc Y is 120 degrees. And yung arc Z is 60 degrees. So, yan. Alright? So, I hope na-gets natin yan, guys. So, balik tayo sa ating PowerPoint presentation. Alright. So, another theorem ang pag-uusapan natin, guys. So, tawagin naman natin itong two tangents theorem. Ayan, no? So, the two tangents from an exterior point to a circle are equal. So, automatic daw, equal daw yung length nitong line segment or tangent line GS and tangent line AS. So, equal yan. Automatic, no? So, ano ibig sabihin yan? Kung equal yung dalawang leg ng ating triangle, at i-connect yung point G to point A, makakagawa ko ng isang isosceles triangle. Di ba? Sabi nga, at least two sides are equal, yun ay isosceles triangle. At kung isosceles triangle na ito, therefore, yung base angle natin are equal based on the definition. So, yung angle SGA and angle SAG are equal angles. Alright? Another thing, an angled form meeting outside the circle is equal to 1/2 of the measure of the bigger arc minus dun sa smaller arc. Then divide natin sa 2 yan. Okay? So para mas maintindihan ninyo, let's try to solve a problem. So let me present again my PowerPoint, my whiteboard. Ayan. So again, salamat sa Jamboard. Ayan, no? Alright. So dito guys, binigay yung measure ng arc GMA that is 250 degrees and yung arc GA is missing. So kailangan natin yan to solve for angle 1 or the angle outside the circle. Kailangan natin, alam natin yung measure ng malaking angle, malaking arc na na-intercept ng angle 1 natin, yung angle form, and i-minus natin siya sa mas maliit na angle na na-intercept, no? Which is GA. And i-divide daw natin yan sa 2. Now, kung yung arc GMA ay 250 degrees, ano ang value ng arc GA? Okay, so sobrang dali lang yan guys. Alam natin na ang isang 1 full turn ng circle ay 360. So ano na lang yung kulang to make it 360 kung meron na akong 250? Correct, 110 degrees. So, di ba ang dali? Then, i-divide natin siya sa 2. Alright. So, 250 minus 110, that is equal to 140 degrees. Then, i-divide natin siya sa 2. So, magiging sagot natin ay 70 degrees. So, therefore, ito ay 70 degrees. Ito ay 110 degrees. And, ganyan lang kasimple kapag alam natin yung two tangent theorem. Right? Again, sabi sa two tangent theorem, an angled form outside the circle is equal to 1/2 the difference of the intercepted arc. So, kunin muna yung mas malaking intercepted arc, then i-minus sa mas maliit, then divide by 2. Okay? Sige. So, diretso tayo. So, next, balik tayo sa ating PowerPoint presentation. Ayan. Another theorem ang pag-uusapan natin dito guys, yung tinatawag nating two-chords theorem. So sabi dyan, an angled form by two intersecting chords is half the sum. So this time guys, no, sum. Kasi nga, yung angled form is inside the circle. So yun yung tatandaan para hindi malito. So kasi nga, pag nasa labas, nagsusubtract tayo ng intercepted arc. So dito, dahil sa loob siya, mag-a-add tayo. Then divide by 2. And another thing, the product of the measure of the segments of one chord is equal to the product of the measure of the segments on the other chord o other chord. So, ibig sabihin, line segment AN times line segment NC is equal to line segment DN times line segment NB. And yung mga binanggit ko guys, yun yung tinatawag nating, yung product nun ay tinatawag nating powers of n. So, depende kung anong variable yan. So, this time, powers of n siya. Ayan. So, let's try to solve a problem. Ayan. Let me present again my whiteboard. Ayan. So, balik tayo sa Jamboard. Okay. Alright guys. So dito, pinapahanap sa atin lahat ng unknown. If arc BC, ayan o, is 120 degrees and arc DC is 120 degrees. Alright? So yan. So alamin natin kung saan tayo maganda magsimula. So makikita nyo yan, kailangan at least meron tayong 2 given. So ayan o, isa, then dalawa. So pwede na natin isolve yung arc X. So, ano bang sabi? An angle form, alright? An angle form, so tawagin ko itong angle 4, ayan. An angle form by two intersecting chord is equal to half the sum the intercepted arc and its vertical angle. So, alam natin, using vertical angle theorem, guys, na yung angle form and angle 4 and angle 3 are equal angle. So, therefore, ito ay 35 degrees. So, alam natin yan. No? So, alam na natin yan before. So, pwede na nating kunin yung o i-apply yung theorem sa two-chords theorem kapag nag-intersect. So, sabi dyan, yung angle form by intersecting chord is equal to 1/2 of the intercepted arc. So, i-add lang natin to. So, itong arc DC, which is 20 degrees, then plus yung value ng arc AB, which is x for a while, divided by 2. So, syempre, papalitan ko lang yung measure ng angle 4 kasi alam naman natin kung ano yung measure niya. So, ilalagay na natin yun agad-agad. So, para ma-solve natin. Ayan. So, siya ay 35 degrees. Now, ang susunod natin gagawin, guys, simple lang, no? I-multiply natin tong denominator natin dun sa 35. Then that is equal to 70 degrees. Then simply copy 20 degrees plus x. Then of course, let's combine similar terms by transferring 20 degrees to the left side. And therefore, I have x equals to 70 degrees minus 20 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 50 degrees. Now, 50 degrees na itong ating chord AB. So, ano ang value ng angle 2 and angle 1? So, alam natin yung angle 3 and 2, 3 and 1 are linear pair, no? So, ibig sabihin, kapag pinag-add natin yung 1 plus 3, dapat equal to 180. So, gamitin natin ang calculator. Ayan. Ayan. So, isubtract lang natin yung 180 doon sa given angle natin, which is 35. Ayan. So, therefore, 145. So, therefore, both angle 1 and angle 2 is 145 degrees. Oops. Bakit 140 lang yung sinulat ko sa isa? Ayan. Ayusin natin, guys. So, 145. So, para makuha natin yung measure ng arc Y, so, syempre, ganun uli yung gagawin natin. No? So, gayahin natin to. So, yung 145, ayan, equals to, ayan, yung intercepted arc natin is 120, then minus y, plus y, sorry, then divided by 2. Then, imumultiply natin yung 2 sa 145. Okay? So, guys, i-clear ko lang to, no? So, kasi okay naman na tayo dyan para meron tayong mapagsulatan. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo, medyo matagal magbura dito sa Jamboard natin, no? Wala kasi siyang select all. So, sana dun sa developer, ayan, mas magandang suggestion. Pakilagyan naman ng mas mabilis na pambura. Alright. Okay, now, going back. So, balik tayo, guys, no? Balik ko dito. So, i-multiply natin. So, 145 times 2. So, that is 290. Diba? Tama ba? So, 45 plus 45, 90. 2 times 1, 200. So, 290 equals to 120 plus y. And of course, ita-transfer natin again yung 120 to the left side. So therefore, I have y equals to 290 degrees minus 120 degrees. So therefore, ang value ng arc AD natin is equal to 170 degrees. Ayun. Ayan, 170 degrees. Alright? So, yun po. So, yung value ng x natin ay 50 degrees. Alright? So, I hope nakita natin yan, guys. So, nasundan natin. Okay? So, pag hindi, pwede nyong i-review yung video, then aralin uli natin. Okay? Ayan, sige. So, balik tayo sa ating PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so another problem using two chords intersecting. So, ito naman yung power theorem naman, no? So, what is the power of R? Ayan. So, again, let me present my whiteboard. Alright. Ayan. So, sinasabi dyan, guys, na yung product ng point A to point R, so itong line segment AR natin, times RC is equal to line segment DR times RB, no? Ayan, so, sa madaling salita, 8 times 3 is equal to 12 times X. Ayan. Then, multiply lang natin ito, guys. So, 24. Then, we have 12X. Then, let's isolate the variable X by dividing the entire equation by 12. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya, guys, kadali. So, basic na basic. Of course, 12 divided by 12 is equal to 1. So, what is left is X. Then, 24 by 12, that is equal to 2. So, therefore, X is equal to 2. So, what is the power of R? Napakadali lang, guys. So, 12 times 2 and 8 times 3 is equal to 24. And that is the power of R. Alright, so basic. I hope nag-enjoy kayo kasi sobrang dali lang niya. Alright, sige. Diretso ulit tayo sa ating PowerPoint. At malamang, ito ay para sa inyo na, guys. Okay? So, bibigyan ko kayo ng ilang problems to be solved. So, bigyan ko kayo ng enough time. So, ipopause nyo lang yung video pag nagsisolve na kayo. No? So, ito yung una nating problem. Yan. So, what is the power of n and power of I? Then, solve for x and y. Alright? Yan, paki-screenshot yan, guys. Alright? Next problem natin. Ayan. Okay, again, screenshot ulit natin yan, guys. Alright? Okay. So, oopsie. Ayan. So, yun yung unang problem. Ito yung pangalawang problem natin, guys. So, ayan, please pause the video, guys, for 20 minutes. Then, mag-check tayo. And your 20 minutes is gone, guys. So, let's check if your answer are correct. So, here are the answer key for number 1. So, the value of x is 8 and the power of n is 72 because 12 times 6 and 9 times 8 is 72. Then, on the other figure, so y is equal to 3 and the power of I is 24. Okay? Alright. And for number 2 problem, ayan. Alright, so yun yung ating solution. So I hope nakuha natin yung angle 1 is equal to 52 degrees. Angle 2 is 64 degrees. Angle 3 is 64 degrees because angle 2 and angle 3 are base angle. Tandaan, itong triangle LMN ay isang isosceles triangle. Kaya ang base angle are equal. So, sobrang dali niyan, guys. Okay? Ayun. Alright. So, until our next math kwentuhan, muli, ito po si Sir G.